So let's talk about a couple of tools that you can start using right now that can move you forward, move your dreams forward, and help you get to where you want to be. One of them is Runway ML. It's for creating videos, which is super fun, or Midjourney for creating unique visual art. And if you're working on a book or any visual project, check out Ideogram, which designs stunning book covers and so much more. And yeah, you can use ChatGPT. I use it every day now but not for small things. I don't want to waste it on small things. Yeah, you can ask it about recipes or things that you would have Googled before, but don't waste it on that, you guys, because it's so much, it's capable of so much more. It's not meant to replace you. We are the brains that created all this stuff. So it's not smarter than us, but it is faster and it helps you get through a lot of steps that you may not have been able to get through before because you just didn't have the information. So definitely I want you guys to try these tools. To start with these if any of them are of interest for what you do, or just, there's another tool called Perplexity. To me, it's a much better tool than Google. Say if you're interested in underwater basket weaving, it can tell you exactly all the information you need to write a book about underwater basket weaving. So definitely start exploring the tools that I mentioned, but if none of them fit into your dreams or your aspirations for your life, then just use them as a jumping point. You can talk to ChatGPT like it's one of your homies and be like, hey, if I want to write a song, or if I want to join a band, or if I want to start a band, or whatever your thing is, what are the steps that I need to take step by step? And the more you talk to it, the more you'll understand how to get the answers back that you need and to move to the next step. And if it's overwhelming, just ask it to tell you things step by step by step. That's what I did. I was like, I want to write a book about this. So what are the steps that I need to take? And every time I took a step, I ask it for the next step. And it also can be overwhelming. So it'll start saying, oh, well, do you want me to do this? Now that I've told you about this, do you want me to do this? Do you want me to do that? And you'll spend your whole day saying, yes, 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 yes. Don't do that. It's going to be too much. You have to learn. It's just like anybody, it's not a person, but it's just like any other tool that you use. You have to use it at your own pace. And so when it starts asking you, do you want to do all these other things before you've actually implemented the first thing, just ignore it. It doesn't have feelings. So you don't have to keep saying yes. But if you just ask it to move you through your dreams step by step, I promise you guys, you're going to see that you're going to get there and you're going to be astounded by how much you can do in such a short amount of time with these tools. So that's today's empowerment tool. If there's any questions you guys have, please ask me, because I've actually been working with this stuff quite a bit. And I think if I can't answer your question, I can definitely ask ChatGPT or any other, tool, because there's a lot. ChatGPT is a good place to start, but don't stop there, because there's so many other ones that can do so many different things and help you in so many different ways. And so I encourage you to explore as many of them as you have time to do. So that's today's episode. I'll see you guys in the next one.